Okay, now we're working on our decks. This manhole here, over the bilge section, has been hit with OSFO, and OSFO converts the rust. And what it does is it stops the process long enough that it can be painted and sealed. On top of that is going 235. I got one over here. 235. There you go. So the steel and the rust is rust process temporarily stopped, and then it's sealed from the top, and then on top of that, putting concrete patch. This is the section that's been done here, you can see. And then I got a bilge access over here. Concrete patch has to sit for at least 30 hours. You can see the different colors as it continues to cure. And then on top of that, we'll do another coat of 235 to tie it into the deck epoxy, which the original is kind of a gray, and then a light blue shiny on top of that, and then these other grays. So we're looking at 6 different coats of paint on top of the original concrete, leveling concrete on the deck. So slowly moving along. And what I'm really going to focus on today are these pockets where the deck underneath has rusted and it's popping the concrete up. There's a section here, here's a section here. We go over here and you can see where I've needle gunned it out. Got down to the steel, treated the steel deck with OSFO. I'll paint this with 235 to seal the treated steel. It rhymes. And then on top of that, we get the concrete patch. So, moving along.